How to manually update your graphics driver in your window 10 or 11. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start with the video. Okay, so first come to the search bar in window and search for control panel. Okay, come to the control panel and make sure this view by large, and you can select this device manager options. Okay, or you can simply right click on this start button and come to the device manager. Okay, now come to the view and make sure you show hidden device. Okay, now here come to the display, and this is your device, Intel UHD graphic drivers. This is your graphic drivers. Okay, and this is your display adapter. Okay, so what you can do, come to the browser now. If you want to install the and download and install manually, come to the browser. Okay, so here I'm on browser, so come to the search for Intel driver list, and this link will be open. This is official link of Intel. Now select your window. If you have window 10, just click on this tiny arrow, it will be expand, or if you have window 11, just expand it like this. Okay, so here the 64-bit, check your operating systems. We have 64 bits, and now here the processor you need to select. You can check. Okay, so which processor support our window, we need to check it. So come to the device manager again, and here come to the processor and check your processor. So my processor is 12th generation. Okay, come to the browser and see this driver is support for 12th generation process, so I can download it. Just click on it, download it. Once it download, let it download first. It's downloading. Okay, so once it download, just double click on it and start to install. Okay, so that is there is a way, this is a way you can manually install your HD graphic drivers in your window 10 or 11. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.